Myntri Rangbah ke jela kurat sangma ka khanriu tarik unailur arjar arpusan harangkat ke jengidon lang jong Dr. K.K. Nongsit Principal Sngap Syiem College nangta ka Dr. Belinda Marwin bat ki weidi ki nong hikai jong ka Sngap Syiem College mau korban walayo ban pelaj pajba ya ka bus na ka benta ban kit ik samla puli lengba ka CMSED scheme arjar arpusan kabakot sau pholak tengka bat hagju kapor ulayo ru ban pelaj iki sau teli kikot lengkedap kawai gedei syapang ke history Sngap Syiem jong ke hima maharam khat knyau spa nyau pau hadu khat praspa sau pupra balato da ka Dr. Belinda Marwin kabaar kabam kadi tenrai umaram kamenor bat kamenta balato da Dr. K.K. Nongsit bat usri Turnia bat kakong kharlengdo kabalai ka ethnobiological study of Khasi women traditional attire in Meghalaya kabalato da kakong Patricia Lengkhoy nangta kamaryang bat kitway pengat Khasi balato da ka Khasi department Sngap Syiem College Mogorwat bat kani kedai kesin kabanengkong ba ka Sngap Syiem College kalala ban penmi hadu Southly kikot.
Being deeply concerned about the college. In fact, I must make it public of how many times he calls me to, continuously remind me and pressurize me on different issues of the college, and his persistence and his continuous, efforts yields the results that we are seeing slowly. So it does take time, and I also cannot do everything. But because of the continuous reminders that I get from your principal, I end up doing more for your college compared to other colleges. So it is your efforts. I must make that public. So I really would like to thank you for that. And also, as I said, I have a very strong connection with all of you. Obviously, from education point of view also, and from political point of view also. We share the same ideologies and thoughts, and therefore I'm very happy to be associated with the college, and I'm so happy that the bus also has finally arrived, and will be releasing the bus today. So I really congratulate you for that. I also would like to congratulate you for the books that have been released today. As you're aware, I have been pushing this at all the levels myself. In fact, it was earlier with the former CEM that I had discussed this, and I said that KHDC, GHDC, JHDC all should do research, because that is the mandate as per the constitution also. And if you don't promote research, then you are not going as per the mandate that you're supposed to do as the district councils. And therefore I'm very happy. You know that I'm also promoting research at my level also. I've got the Chief Minister's Research Grant, where 50 scholars are supported every year. I can inform you that we'll be in fact increasing that number to 75 from this year onwards. And I hope to touch about 100 scholars by next year. And that's also really helping us a lot. So we are very much into documenting, researching the different aspects of our communities and our tribes that we have in the state of Meghalaya. So I really take this opportunity to congratulate all our researchers who have documented these very, very important aspects of the Khasi culture and the history, including the freedom fighters who had fought the British in the early days. And really this is something I'm sure will be of huge benefit to the public and the society at large. I also want to share with you that I am very soon working on a team, and I'll discuss with Principal Sir also, that we are very keen to do a more detailed research on the roots of our tribes. So whether it's the Mon Khmer research or the Indo-Tibetan ethnicity research. So we plan to put up 2-3 teams, and I plan to send them to different places in Cambodia, in Laos area, where the Mon Khmer population and everything is there, and tie up with research organizations there to study the roots of the Khasi Jaintia community. Similarly, we're doing the same for the Indo-Tibetan, so we're sending a group to Tibet. So I'll be finalizing that group very soon. So I'll look for members, in fact, to be part of that research. So Dr. Rubin is preparing the outline of that. So I'm sure that we will try to make the group as diversified as possible, and we'll try to take people into this, because this group will go, be in touch with them. This is maybe a year or 2 years of research work that will happen. So we want to put up a very strong team. So after seeing this research that you're doing, I'm also very inclined to, tie up with your college and have at least 1 or 2 research scholars to be part of that particular. What with the outcome really we don't know yet, but I'm keen to, as I said, to really study into it, because there are some scholars who are doing it. They'll be surprised to know there are some scholars who are in, I think, in Singapore, sunny Singapore, who are doing this research on the Mon Khmer tribe and the links with Meghalaya. I think you're aware, right?
Yes.
And because I think the Khasi Jaintia, I think in the northeast, is the only ethnic tribe which is from the Mon Khmer ethnicity. Otherwise, the rest are all Indo-Tibetan ethnicity. So all these kind of things are very, very important for us. I'm just sharing it because
Yes.
I'm in the middle of researchers. So of course, I'm not one of them. I'm nowhere close to all of you. But since the subject that is related to our culture and our people, I want to promote this. So I look for suggestions. If you can think of something, maybe even after this, you can go back, you think about it, give me some suggestions on how I could move forward on this. That'll be something really great. Coming to the different aspects of the